everyone, today we are going to see on that IICS tutorial series on scenario based question. This scenario, it is asked by one of our subscriber through the comment. Okay, the scenario it is, we need to find the customer's data based on the region wise. We need to find it. Okay, that is, we need to group the customer data based on the region wise. We need to group the data and we need to count the customers data based on the region wise. We need to count the data. For that we are going to do the mapping on today. Okay, for that I am going to take my source, it is from data Oracle database, and target it is from Oracle database we are going to take. Okay, now we will do the mapping for that. Now see here, we are going to take our source from Oracle database. Here we have that employees table. In this employees table, there is no region column it is present. That's the reason here I have created one EMP table. Okay, that is from existing table, that is employees table, we are going to create one table called EMP table. After created the table, I just add the one column with help of alter statement. The column name it is region column I added. Okay, after adding the region column, I need to update, that is I need to give the data in this region column. That's the reason here I have updated the statement. Okay, update statement have written and have given the range, that is employee ID range based on the specific IDs. Range have given. Okay, then the data it is getting updated here. Now select star from EMP. If I execute this statement, that is this table, now see here we got the data with region wise, south, west, north, east, like that the region wise we got the data. Okay, now we can segregate the data in target based on the region wise. We can segregate it and we can get to know that how much data it is available, that is count of the data based on the region wise. Okay, and please remember that whenever you are doing that update statement, that is whenever you are executing the update statement, you should do the commit here. If you are not doing that commit, okay, and you are creating the mapping, then the mapping getting succeed, okay, but there is no record it is available in the target, because if you are not committing means it is user commit, that is this update statement, okay, the DML statement it is user commit. This is not auto commit. Auto commit in the sense, if just we have executed that one statement, okay, it will saved automatically. But whenever we are executing this DML statement, DRL statement, we should commit, then only it will save in the database in permanent. Otherwise it won't save it, then the available record we won't get in that mapping. Now see in this right side, okay, here this is my target. Here I have written that create statement, create table and T underscore EMP, this is my first table. Here I can consider this one, it is default one. Okay, so default one I can consider. And second table, the region I am giving, okay, south region, north region, east and west region, because we are going to segregate the data based on the region wise. We are going to segregate the data. Okay, here I have given the false statement. Okay, so with help of this one, the table it is getting created. Okay, now we can go to data integration and we can create the mapping for segregating the data based on the region wise. Okay, first we need to go to new and second mapping, then create the mapping. Here we need to change our mapping name, M underscore region underscore EMP underscore region wise employees data, region wise employees data. So this is my mapping name. Okay, now take the source connection here. Our table name it is EMP, just give the table name here for our understanding purpose. And next take the connection Here our connection it is Oracle source. Okay, and next we need to take that object. Here our object name it is EMP. Select that object respectively and preview the data. Okay, now see here in this preview the data, we can get the alter table also we can get it, that is adding of the tables. Here we can get that the data. Okay, then just close this one and we can apply the transformations. Here I am going to apply the transformation, it is router. Okay, now first it is name. Here I am giving that region data. Next go to output groups. In incoming field it is nothing but what are the data it is coming from our downstream, and in this output group first it is default one. Default one in the sense this is group, it is default, it is available in the router transformation. Here we are going to apply the 4 conditions. Okay, first the name of the group it is south. Now configure that group, go to advanced option, define the filter conditions and take the column here region equal to south region and validate. Next click on OK. Here also click on OK. Next it is north. Next group it is west. Okay, next group it is east. So like that we have created 4 group. Okay, based on that here we need to give the conditions here. Okay, validate the expression getting valid, then click on OK. Here also click on OK. Next we need to take the west. Go to advanced option, define the filter conditions, take the column here region equal to west. Okay, this one it is string format, so you should give that single quotation marks whenever you are defining that string. Okay, now go to advanced option, define the filter conditions. Here our region we need to take it equal to east. Validate it and click on OK. Here also click on OK. Now we have taken the 4 region. Now go to target here. Before that just this plus icon, if you are just click it means it will maximize with the 4 groups. Okay, now how many groups it is present? 4 groups plus 1 groups. That 4 groups it is called as user defined group and 1 group it is default group. So we need to get that 5 target here. Okay, so get the 4 target because already 1 target it is available. Okay, now get the 4 target here. Okay, now just map the target properly. Okay, for the south region target 1, north is target 2 and west target 3 and east target 4, like that we need to mark it. Okay, after done that one, each of the target we need to move on and give the connection, as well as we need to take that object. Here first the default, that group name it is, table name it is T_EMP. Okay, next go to field mapping and map the field. Here our source and target both are having the same column it is present, that's the reason here I have given that automatic. Here I am giving that it is south region. Okay, next go to target here and give the connection Here our connection it is Oracle TGT, and next take the T underscore EMP underscore south. Okay, take the table and click on OK. Here we have taken that south region. Next, like that we need to take that north region. Take the target connection. Now select the object here, T underscore EMP underscore. Our target it is north one. Select the table. Now click on OK. Okay, next we need to do the field mapping. Just do that automatic. Okay, in the second that is in the south region, here we have not done that field mapping. Okay, now go to target 3. Once you have taken that multiple target, just remember that you should do that mapping for that all the respected target. T underscore EMP underscore, here our target it is west. Okay, now click on OK. Next do the field mapping. Do the automatic here or smart map. Next go to the general, change here west, table name it is west. Next go to target, here this one it is east. Okay, now go to target here, take the connection Oracle as well as take that object T underscore EMP, T underscore EMP underscore east. Okay, now click the table. Next do the field mapping. Do the automatic here. Now save the mapping. So once the mapping it is getting saved, okay, if it is valid state means you can proceed to the run. If it is not valid state, it is invalid means just check it where you done that mistake here. Okay, now see in this region data, here you have that advanced filter condition is invalid, it is present because in this router, go to output groups, here we have missed that single quotations. Okay, validate it. Now see here the expression it is getting valid. Now click on OK. Now save the mapping here. Okay, so once you are getting any error, just read the error, what you done the mistake, then correct the mistake, then execute the mapping. Okay, we can check the status in the my job, that is monitor page, we can get it. First it is starting, then it is queue, then it is running, then we can get the status whether it is success or warning or failed. Now see here from the source we got the rows 105 record, we got it. Okay, and the data it is segregated to the target in the form of region wise, it is segregated. Okay, for the south region 24 employees it is present, for the north region 25 employees it is present, and west region 11 employees present, and east region 34 employees present. Okay, now we can go to target. Okay, here our target it is, we have created the target. Okay, now first we need to take the select star from T underscore EMP underscore west. Okay, how many record it is present means fetched row it is 11 rows it is present. Okay, now see here for the west region 11 rows it is present. Okay, like that we need to get remaining the target and all. Okay, this one it is north region. So in the north how many record it is present? Count of rows 25 record it is present. Now see here in the north region 25 record it is present. Like that just cross verified in that your target okay count rows in Oracle SQL developer. If it is matches means you are done that mapping everything, it is successfully you are done. Okay, so likewise we can do that customer data also. Here I have used that employees data. Instead of using that employees data, if you are using that customer data in region, okay, region column, you can get that answer. Okay, thank you for watching. If this session is helpful for you, please subscribe it, comment it, share it, like it. And if you have any questions or doubt in IICS on SQL or Linux, okay, just do the comment in below. We can discuss on the upcoming session. Thank you.